For an entire month, she has not taken a single bite. Instead, all her strength has gone into producing nearly 100,000 eggs, each one a future giant of the ocean. Motherhood has exhausted her, yet the hardest part is only beginning. She must endlessly wash her eggs with oxygen-rich water, keep them free of parasites, and protect them from predators and thieves. For the next 7 months, the eggs will not hatch, and throughout that long vigil, she cannot leave and cannot feed. Her only advantage is her massive size. Her enormous body becomes a living shield for her young, and only her strength and endurance stand between them and death. But months of starvation slowly drain her remaining energy. She grows weaker each day, even as her task nears its end. With one final surge of water, she releases her hatchlings into the deep. She will never meet them. Bringing 100,000 lives into the world has taken her own. Her story ends here. But countless new journeys are just beginning. The few that survive will one day grow 1,000 times larger, rising into the legends of the deep, just like their mother.